And welcome to Craftmas. Day 11, 10, 7, 5, I don't know. Just welcome to Craftmas. So today I wanted to show you what I had thought about using these cups for. I was at Home Goods back in like October with Kayla, and we just like browsed. It's not a store that's very close to me, so like I don't have stores that are close like TJ Maxx or Home Goods or like Michael's, Hobby Lobby. None of those are really close to me. And so we were just browsing and I saw these and I thought they were so cute. They're just these travel mugs, okay? And I actually even saw some of these at Walmart. Last night we went to Kayla's opening night for her musical that she's in. And we ran by Walmart to get the last of the stocking stuffers for the kids as stockings. And I saw some cups like this. And so you get, in this one, you get 12, and then it has the lids, and then it also has the sleeve, right? So, you know, this is like super cute for, you know, like to sit out like for hot chocolate or coffee in the morning or just fun things like that. I don't know that I would spend the money to do something like this to just have to use at the house. But when I saw these, I thought these would be so cute for gift giving. And so what I want to do, I need one more thing. Okay, so the first thing that I thought about with these, with like a little gift, I had an idea to do like every Friday, take little gifts down to the school. Like instead of doing like, I usually do a Christmas gift for the office staff of the elementary school. And then I also usually do my sugar cookies. And I had thought it would be really fun to every Friday, take a little something down to the office and give it to the ladies there in the office. I have not done that. I've just really fallen behind. Just hasn't worked out, but I had thought about using these. So I got a couple things of different candies. Now I got some of the Hershey Nuggets because I'm doing another video, another project with these coming up. But I got these, and these are the Hershey. I always get the ones with the toffee and almonds, and then they're just little nuggets, right? So there's that option. And then I also got this, and this has the white chocolate caramel, the milk chocolate caramel, and the sea salt caramel. So these are the caramels. I love caramel. That's my favorite. But they also had a larger bag that had, I think, like 5 different ones. And I love these for treats as well, for little, you know, different little things. So what I thought I would do, and then also, I also baked some cookies. So if you caught my live the other day where I was doing a live and then the delivery guy came and handed me a stand mixer, wasn't in a box or anything, and my husband had ordered it for Christmas. And so the surprise was ruined a little bit, but he was like, well, let's just, you know, it'll just be great because you can do your baking with it for Christmas. So I used it for the first time and I love it. It's amazing. I don't know why I didn't get one soon. Well, I do know because they're expensive, and I kept saying it's not a big deal. I don't need it. It's too expensive. But I absolutely love it. So I made some chocolate chip cookies. So what I thought I would do, so the cup is more narrow on the bottom, right? So I thought I would just put like a couple, I want to do this for the 2 ladies in the office. I thought I would put like 4 of these in there, and then I'll put a sleeve on because the sleeve says Merry Christmas. It's so cute. You could also, I have mini coffee cups that you can do the same type of thing with, but then you can cover them yourself. You could also just get plain cups and then cover them to do something cute. So I have that in there. And then what I thought I would do, nobody worry, I've already washed my hands. I just did that before I came down here. I have them in here. And what I thought I would do is pick a couple of the, oh yeah, they're gonna fit perfect. I made these smaller so that they would fit in the cup. Okay, and I thought I would do 4 in each. Like so. And then I thought I would put a chocolate on top and then put the lid on. Like so. So now there's cookies inside with some chocolate. And then I was thinking, like of putting some ribbon or something, or like a tag on here. So let me think about how I can do that. Okay, so I have the cups, and then I went into my basket that I put together at the beginning of Craftmas with all the different tags and the different cards. And I pulled out all these tags that I have. Some of these I made last year. Some of them I made this year, but particularly I saw these. These would kind of be cute. So this is them layered together. So I think I would have to make one more of these. But I have the gifts, the tree, and the ornament. What if we made one with the ornament? So let's do like this background, and then this tag here, and then this, and then I sort of just want to stamp right on this guy. So let's grab Holly Jolly. Just because I think it would be cute on there. Oh, what fun. Holly Jolly. Santa was here. Okay. Oh yeah, it'll fit perfect. So let's do that in shaded spruce. So we'll do shaded spruce. That needs to be re-inked. I mean, it works, it's totally fine, but I'm gonna leave that out so I can re-ink it. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is grab some ribbon. And we'll do some green. This is a pretty one. Now the key is going to be to how to attach this. So let's do this first. So to do this bow, I'm just going to literally tie a bow. So we'll just bring it through, and then I make a loop, and then I do the bow. And then this can hang a little bit. So there's some on there, and then we'll add a little bit of foam. I think I have a piece of foam right here. Okay, now to attach these, what I'm thinking is if I attach it through the little hole right there, then it could hang down. But I think to do that, I'm gonna need some twine. Maybe like this, some white. I mean, I really had no plan when we started. I just knew what I wanted to kind of put in to the cup and how I sort of wanted to use it, but not necessarily how it would all work. So let's add this, and then I think it will be thin enough. And I wouldn't expect anybody to reuse the cup like after they get the treat. I think they'll probably just throw it away. If I got this as a gift, I would throw the cup away. So yeah, I think with the twine, it works really good to just go right through that hole. And then I'll just do another bow. And this would be so cute to do like a gift card. I was thinking it would be cute to do like nail polish in it. Like if you got a couple different nail polishes and then did like a gift certificate for like a nail place or something like that could be cute. These would be really cute little teacher gifts. And then the only thing is that it's a little bit hard to turn the lid. Like I want this Merry Christmas to be seen too. So once you put it on there, it's a little bit hard to move it. So just be careful. Okay, so we'll just put this right through here. Whoops. You could use linen thread. That would look cute too. And depending on the cup that you get, will kind of depend on like what tag you want to put on or what thread you want to use. So then add it up through the top there and then just have enough to tie that bow and then pop that lid on. And it works perfect. That is really perfect. You could also get some of those coffee stoppers, the little stoppers that go in there, and you could put the stopper in there and then tie the bow off the stopper. I don't have any of those. I really wasn't thinking when I picked up the cups. I was just, I wasn't really thinking through what I was gonna do. So I think that's perfect. So what I'm gonna do is, so you can see that, I will give these to the ladies up at the office today, and it'll just be a fun little treat for them to have. And then I loved using the cups this way. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this Craftmas video. I will be back tomorrow with another Craftmas video, and I hope that you all have a wonderful day.